YouTube, what's going on? Andrew Darling here of Andrew Darling Law, PA. It's been a few months, so I was not able to take the bar exam in February in Maryland. I ended up getting pneumonia. I didn't have COVID, so that's a good thing. I ended up getting pneumonia. I spent a couple days in the hospital back in February. I am taking it next month in July. I'm going to be taking the Maryland bar exam. It is a virtual bar exam, so I'll be able to take it from my relatively comfy home down here in Florida. What else has been going on? I finished season 1 of the podcast. It's called The State's Burden. We went over a bunch of jury instructions for a bunch of different charges and what the state's burden is to prove a crime in those particular cases. Other than that, my law firm has been growing like crazy. I am loving it. I finally brought on an assistant. In the next couple months, I'm looking to bring on another attorney. Life is good right now. We are working hard. We're doing all the little things. We've laid the foundation to just work hard to get better and to represent our clients zealously as required, of course, by the rules of professional responsibility, as well as just the rules and requirements of being an attorney. Guys, this is sort of a spur of the moment thing. I wanted to quickly do a video. I am also now a head football coach of a high school football team here in the Orlando area. So it's not where I went to high school, but it is a team I played against in high school. We recently had spring football, so if you wonder where I've been spending time there. My 10-year-old is kicking butt in his football league. He is now playing quarterback, and I was coaching defense on that team, and we just won the spring championship there. So listen, guys, life is exciting. We are working hard. We are continuing to grow, continuing to set the foundation that we laid years ago when I started going to law school and trying to document this journey, because it's important to understand and remember, if I scroll through this channel and I go back to that person who started law school in Charlotte and then went to Miami, graduated from Miami, failed the bar exam in Florida, and then passed it the second time, started spending time at the public defender's office, working there for a while, ran for sheriff, started my own law firm. Like every single part of this journey, I've kind of brought you guys with me, and that's exciting. It's fun. It's been a lot of work. I do not sleep anywhere near as much as I probably need to. But listen, it's great. It's exciting. I am as happy as I have ever been with a job, if you can call running a business a job. It's worth it. It's exciting. And keep in mind, there were still folks that believed and really felt like I probably wasn't a good candidate for law school. Sometimes I wouldn't disagree with them. But here's the thing, and this is what I want you guys to keep in mind. The only thing I've ever asked for in life is an opportunity. And that's the only thing that I need. I'm excited for the trajectory my firm is on. I'm excited to be a head football coach at high school. I'm excited to bring on my first employee. Hopefully my second one will be coming on soon. Guys, I'm just excited. And I'm taking the bar exam. It's a UBE state, Maryland is. So who knows what that could open up in the future. Maybe there'll be some Andrew Darling Law PA firms in a bunch of states. Who knows? So thank you guys so much for taking the time to spend with me a little bit. I got a court hearing in about 15 minutes. I actually just had a virtual court hearing that got done about 15 minutes ago. So I figured I'd take 3, 4, 5 minutes here and just share with you guys what's been going on. I'm good. I'm relatively healthy. I didn't take the bar exam in February because I got sick. The podcast. Go check me out on all the social media stuff, of course. Andrew Darling Law. You can just type that in Facebook or Instagram, Andrew Darling Law. Or on Twitter, it's just @DarlingLaw. And then if you want to follow The State's Burden, it's just @The State's Burden. And you can put the @ and The State's Burden in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Will come up. The State's Burden also has a YouTube channel. You can search that. And you'll see all the podcast episodes there. They are generally released on the podcast before the video comes out. So definitely go subscribe wherever you subscribe, whether it's Apple, Google Podcasts. I use Pocket Cast. Some people use Spotify. Either way, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can reach out actually at podcast@andrewdarlinglaw.com. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate your time. Take care. Have a great rest of your day. We'll see you in the next one.